We'll come pull it off.
Thank you so much.
So this is a family. They were inside the closet when this came through. Here you can see there's a lot to do. There's two big trees on the house. There's one over here and one in the back that needs to be taken down so that they can safely take the stuff out of the house. And so, but their front yard, I mean, they have about 20 acres, and this is what it looks like.
You know what aid is? First aid is like. What are you doing?
Y'all hungry?
I'm still a human.
Pizza. All of this stuff going on. God is still so good. 50 homes damaged and most of them demolished, just like this one. And yet not one single person died. God is still good. It's beautiful out here tonight. Couple were in this house. One of them was in this closet. One of them on the other end in the other closet. Roof missing.